Hello kids, how are you all? Today we are going to learn more than 9 spelling rules. Are you ready? Let's start. Short and long vowel rule. Vowel can make different sounds. The sounds they make depend on where they are in a word. For example, pig. If one consonant follows the vowel will be short. An arc above a vowel is used when a vowel has a short sound. A guardian star is used to mark consonants that immediately follow vowels. Let's take one more example. Here A is a short vowel and T is a consonant that follows the vowel. Now it's your turn to put a mark on top. Pause the video and reach each word. If two consonants follow the vowel will still be short. Sand. Pause the video, read each word and mark and prove these words. Long vowel, go and me. If no guardian consonant follows the vowel will be long. A horizontal line over a vowel is used when a vowel has a long sound. Adjacent vowel rule. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Syllable rule. Do you know what is syllable? A syllable is a part of a word that contains sound of a word. A syllable is a single unbroken vowel sound within a spoken word. So, syllables are always A, E, I, O, U or sometimes Y when it makes a vowel sound. All words are made from at least one syllable. We know that one vowel sound equal to one syllable. For example, cat. Cat has one syllable. If a word has 4 vowel sounds equal to 4 syllables. Now we will learn syllable division rules, or we can say that syllable division pattern. First pattern is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. If you have 2 consonant sound between 2 vowel sounds, divide the word between the consonant sounds. Let's take example, sunset. The vowel sounds are the short U and the short E. The 2 consonants in the middle, N and S, get divided up. Next pattern is vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. Example, cabin. In this pattern, we divide after the consonant when the first vowel has a short sound. Next pattern is same, vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, but here we divide before the consonant when the first vowel is long. Example is water. Here we divide before the consonant. Water has 2 syllables. Consonant plus LE pattern. You can see this type of syllable pattern at the end of the word. Example, candle, bubble, handle, purple, table. We divide before consonant plus LE. Can, divide, dull. Candle has 2 syllables. Next pattern is VCCCV pattern. When we see 3 consonants between vowels, usually split after first consonant. Let's take example, complex, com, divide, plex. Complex has 2 syllables. Next is VCCCV pattern. When there are 4 consonants between vowels, usually split after first consonant. For example, instruct, in, divide, struct. Instruct has 2 syllables. Compound words rule. Divide compound words between 2 words. Let's take example, windmill. Wind, divide, mill. Last is affix rule. Divide syllables before a suffix and after a prefix. Let's take example unkindly. Un, divide, kind, divide, ly. Next is preview. Pre, divide, view. Next is kindness. Kind, divide, ness. Our next rule is rabbit rule. What is rabbit rule? In a two-syllable word, if the first syllable has a short vowel with only one consonant sound between the next vowel, you double the consonant. Why do we write R-A-B-B-I-T, not R-A-B-I-T? K-I-T-T-E-N, not K-I-T-E-N? Why? Okay, our rabbit rule tells us why don't we write or when to double the consonant. Let's take example tennis. Does the word have two syllables? Yes, 1, 2. Do you hear a short vowel in the first syllable? Yes. Do you hear one consonant sound between the first vowel and the second vowel? Yes. Then double the middle consonant. Let's take few more examples. Ribbon, ladder, muffin, traffic, puppet, button. K and CK rule. Truck, milk, seek, sack. When the K sound is at the end of a word, it can be spelled with either the letter K or the letter CK. When the final K sound is preceded by a vowel team or consonant, it is spelled with K. For example, beak, break, seek, soak all have a long vowel sound before the final K sound and therefore K is spelled K. When the final K sound is preceded by a short vowel, the sound is spelled with CK. Here are few examples. Clock, brick, chick. C and K rule. It is also known as kiss the candy rule. C and K make the same sound. This rule helps you to know which one to use. When you hear K sound at the beginning of a word, use C before A, O, U. When the K sound followed by the vowels A, O, U, it is spelled with the letter C. Let's take examples. Cat, cub, caught, can, cut. When the K sound is followed by E, I, Y, it's spelled with the letter K. Examples are kid, key, kit, kind. Magic E rule. We also call it silent E rule or bossy E rule. K, E, T, kit. When the letter E sits at the end of the word, it usually silent. The magical E tells the vowel in the front of it say its name, not its sound. K, I, T, kite. Now, kit become kite. In the word kit, I saying its short sound and another word kite, I saying its name. Let's take few more example. Can become cane. Tub become tube. Cup become cube. Cut become cute. Now it's your turn to read. Pause the video. Our next rule is rabbit rule. What is rabbit rule? In a two-syllable word, if the first syllable has a short vowel with only one consonant sound between the next vowel, you double the consonant. Why do we write R-A-B-B-I-T, not R-A-B-I-T? K-I-T-T-E-N, not K-I-T-E-N? Why? Okay, our rabbit rule tells us why don't we write or when to double the consonant. Let's take example tennis. Does the word have two syllables? Yes, 1, 2. Do you hear a short vowel in the first syllable? Yes. Do you hear one consonant sound between the first vowel and the second vowel? Yes. Then double the middle consonant. Let's take few more examples. Ribbon, ladder, muffin, traffic, puppet, button. Hard and soft C rule. The letter C has two sounds, a hard K sound and a soft S sound. If the letter after the C is I, E or Y, the C makes the S sound. Let's take example. Look at the word scent. E comes after C. C, E and T. So C makes the S sound, soft sound. Next example is city, juice, space, pencil, mice, police, lettuce. Hard sound. If any other letter comes after C, it makes the K sound, hard sound. For example, corn, cord, cut, cake, cup, cop, cable, card, cold. Hard and soft G sound. The letter G has two sounds, a hard G sound and a soft J sound. If the letter after the G is I, E or Y, the G makes the J sound, soft sound. Examples are gentle, gym, giant, germ, jam, journal, cage, age, orange, gel. Hard G. If we have any letter other than the I, E, Y, the G makes the G sound, hard sound. The hard sound of G occurs most often. Hard G words: good, game, gap, glass, good, go, gas, gum, goal, golf, gummy, gold, goose. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year. Next week I will come up with second part of the video. If you liked my video, so please hit the like button.